Hello everyone, as a series of assessment, here is my presentation how to handling guest complaint. Before I explain, let me introduce myself. My name is Indah Tirtasari. I am a teacher at Vocational High School Tabanan. Now, I would like to share you about handling guest complaint. Regardless of how well a business operates, problem will occur. Problem that occurs such as customer complaints, then you have to deal with a lot of complaints and learn how to solve them. Now, let's we identify of complaints in restaurant. They are food quality, service, cleanliness, price, atmosphere, food safety, time, and communication. First, food quality. Food quality can make or break a restaurant. An example, if the food is subpar, like food is not expected such as flavor, temperature, and appearance, say the chicken is cold or the bread is stale, and the ingredients used are not fresh, complaints are sure to follow. Second, service. An example of what happened in service such as treat customer in a less polite or impolite when providing service, unprofessional attitude, order mix-up, discrepancies between the menu and the food. Next, common complaint in restaurant are cleanliness. Eating in a clean, sanitary environment is the utmost importance to customer. That's why a large majority of restaurant complaints are related to dirty bathroom, stale utensils, or poor server hygiene. Next, about price. Most often than not, customers are willing to pay a more significant sum of money for a nice meal. But when the dish is pricey and the quality isn't what they expected, they will feel like they've been taken for a ride. Next, atmosphere. The atmosphere is any part of your restaurant that influences the feel of it. And it's a big part of the reason why people go out to eat. So, it's no wonder that it made our list. Atmosphere complaints can include poor positioning of the tables, crowded area, loud music, bright light, or the temperature was sultry. One of the most common restaurant complaints that restaurant owner never want to face is a customer having health issues after eating at your restaurant. Food safety are serious concern that could give your restaurant a bad reputation. Guest complaint that usually occur regarding about times are a long time for the food to arrive, the restaurant opening time is not in accordance with the state schedule. The last about communication. Complaints that occur regarding communication such as misunderstood because language and accent, the waiter doesn't explain ingredient because here are many types of diets and restrictions that people have. No matter how well you're doing, there will always be people who complain. When that happens, Here how to handle customer complaint. First, listen carefully. Don't cut the customer off to interject because you might miss vital information, and you will only make them angrier. Also, don't smile while they are complaining to you, even though you might find that polite. Listen with a concerned and attentive attitude. Second, apologize. Before you try to make things better, apologize to the customer. Mention how regretful you are that their experience wasn't optimal, and that you'll do your best so that it never happens again. Third, offer a solution. Next, think of ways to solve the problem they are raising and communicate that solution to them. Give extensive details on how you will solve the problem and what your next steps are. Fourth, make things right with some freebies. To sweeten the deal, offer a freebie like a drink or a dessert on the house. It won't cost you too much, and it might make a massive difference in the customer's attitude. And the last, do a follow-up. Finally, ensure that the customer leaves the interaction feeling satisfied and not disgruntled. If your solution isn't working for them, try to find an alternative. If the complaint is online, recheck it after you address it to see if anything has changed. What if the complaint is not handled well? First, loss of customer trust. If something unpleasant happened to the product or service and we are unable to handle their complaints, then the perception that has been built will collapse instantly, accompanied by loss of customer trust. Second, negative impacts. In this era of social media, customers are increasingly speaking out loud. What they feel after the transaction, positive or negative, will immediately be known by friends or people around them. Third, losing the opportunity to get a new customers. Lost opportunities to get new customers. This is the most dangerous. When negative perceptions have been formed, it will be difficult for business owners to improve the image of their product or service. That's all my explanation of the topic handling guest complaints. Thank you and have a wonderful day.